How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. With all this space thing going on, we have Elon and we have Virgin Galactic here. It's like one of the highest volume stocks, and surprisingly, it turned down 5% red today. Is this a good area to buy? I'm going to look at some of the chart analysis as this is no bias. We'll look at some of the news we have recently posted, but I'm going to show you guys the band strategy, and we can get right to it, and we'll see if this is a good upcoming buy. So first of all, if you're on Webull, you can access news up in here, and you can look at symbol news, and you can look at the first thing that was posted 10 hours or 11 hours. Let's see right here. Planes just can't compete. Elon Musk boasts the rocket booster superiority after Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic completes for tourist flight. So we got a lot of things going on here, a lot of competition, and I really think these space stocks are really going to catch attention. It doesn't. We just need to find the right entry, because we've seen Virgin Galactic go from 70 cents all the way up to $1.40, making 100% gain, and we are almost at the very low of where this pumped. As you can see right in here is the very low. Are we going to hit that again, or is this a nice area, or do we bounce right here on this support line from this candle here with a long lower wick, as this does signify nice support? So very tricky. If we use the system, the best buy absolutely is at the average to range of 4, the bottom green band. And as you can see, this was just a phenomenal textbook. It's not going to happen all the time like this, but it's a phenomenal textbook trade of it hitting this lower band and it just pumping up. And the reason why I really liked it is we have time distance from the EMA 10. We have not touched the EMA 10 in a very long time. As you can see, no candles were touching it. Anything in a 1 month time frame that does not touch EMA 10 is very long. We look at this, it's April 1st. And we touched it April 23rd, so it's just a little less than a month. And then we have the EMA 20 way back here where it's touched, and then it finally touched it over here. So there's a lot of things going on, and if anybody is, if you're in my premium Discord and you're watching this video and you see a trade like this, that it's a nice company that gets plenty of volume. Look at this, 30 million, 25, plenty of volume, and you see it touching the lower band, let me know. And if you guys aren't in my Discord and you want this system, click the link down below. It's only $6 a month. You guys are gonna love it. So yeah, this is Virgin Galactic. I love it because the volume's there. It's got lots of attention, lots of liquidity, and it tends to stick to a method, right? It tends to do what exactly we expect it to do. I'm looking at the prior history data here. As you can see, look at this. Bottom band, closest to bottom band touches here. And look at the rallies this thing has. Look at these massive rallies. Here, almost a double bottom here. And this is very bullish too. If you ever see this right here is your bottom, and then you see like a fake out, a lot of people panic here. I don't know why. And then they get short, their stop losses here, and then just freaking rallies up from there. Don't ever panic on that. You're like, people don't. You cannot take support and resistance like the absolute, That's why I do kind of the opposite of a lot of retail traders do. It's nice to see, but it's not like the absolute. Like, it could hit this support down here on this candle, go slightly below it, or even a little more, and then just shoot right up. Alrighty, so this is Virgin Galactic. If you guys don't know, I love looking for bottom plays. I hate looking for plays that I've already ran. Like, for example, if you see this candle right here ran 22%, yes, that's nice. It's nice to see that it's running, but as you can see, it goes all the way up, and then it plummets all the way down, and it might scare a lot of people. Be like, oh, wow, I bought it way up in here, and it went all the way down, and now as you can see, like, the gains diminish a lot if you buy it way up in here, and luckily it went all the way up here. What a nice gain, though. So what I want to do with the system, guys, is I want to make sure we have the same setup as we had over here. This is your textbook example of not getting touched from your EMA 10 and 20 for a while, and you're at the lower band with under the EMA 5 for like 3 days here. That was just beautiful. What I like to see is, one, we just hit the EMA 10 here, so there really was not a lot of room. We did not go well below our average to range to really go for, much. We went from 82 cents to 87, and a decent gain, but it just was not a lot, right? So now we're going a lot under now from this, and I'm just going to observe it. I really do like these kind of plays, guys. Can it get to our bottom band? It's going to take some time. It really is, because once you see a move up like this, it expands those bands, and it takes some time. So what I really want to see is, it kind of sucks that we just hit the EMA 10, because now we have to restart the time distance. Like, if you guys don't know, this right here hit the EMA 10, and guess what? Now this is the restart of the time distance. You have 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but then we hit it again, so now we have to restart it. So yeah, so it can be kind of annoying, but this is kind of what you can get randomly too, is you get this big massive candle to hit that EMA 20. So do keep in mind, we can hit that EMA 20 at any moment, and that's at 91 cents, and can very well do that. But this stock I freaking love. I mean, it's a very cheap stock, yes, but I really do love this stock, especially with all the the space hype coming into play. That the thing of the future, right? I love supporting this kind of stuff. So the big thing to realize is we're at the very low, like the very low bottom period is at 70 cents. We are only 10 cents away from that. If we get down to like 75 cents, right, lose another 5 cents, you could honestly put a stop loss way down, probably at I would give it some wiggle room at 66 cents or something. But I personally want to wait for my textbook example, because there's always a trade in the market to trade. I want to wait for this kind of play right here, and then some time distance right in here, and this has plenty of volume. Today we had 60 million volume. Yesterday 25. It's well in the millions of volume. So I'm really liking it. And if you look at the intraday time frame of the 15 minutes, you can see that we were kind of up here, and then we just went down the last end of the day. What you can do is, if you really do want to get in, I love the 5-minute time frame. You can look for nice, precise entries if you want to do your ads. And as you can see right in here, we hit the bottom band. You could get in right in here, accumulate some shares. But do keep in mind, if you're in my Discord and you know what I do, I only do 1 ad a day, and I'm looking for the end of the day for now on for the ad. Because a lot of the times, you're going to have sellers that they take advantage of the whole day. A lot of the times you have a big, a candle, and if it's just not a good day, nasty market, as you can see, a lot of these candles just go all the way freaking down, right? So it's really hard to buy right at the market open. Just never do it. It's just too hard. You're kind of like flipping a coin. Is it going to be the green day or the red day? So just let the market tell you what to do. You could kind of see at the end of the day, be like, okay, it was just a big sell-off day. Now I'm going to accumulate at the lower band at the 5-minute chart, and this seems like to be a good area, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. You can click the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do that, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. Read avoid scammers. There's going to be people DMing you or messaging you in my name and logo. But keep in mind, I will never message you first or DM you. And I only offer the $6 a month. If you go under the subscriptions tab and hit premium chat, this is where you can be opted in to subscribe. So if you hit the premium chat under subscriptions, it will say, would you like to subscribe for only $6 a month? And do keep in mind, if you do it on your computer, it is the cheapest way. If you do it on your phone, it will go through the Apple Store, and they charge like $1 or $2 more. So I'm trying to help you guys the most. What you're going to get is my RTK swing trades. You can look right in here, my actual entries and exits. So if you want to know my actual trades I'm getting in, you will get alerted on your phone for my RTK swing trades. You're going to have education videos, my swing trading strategy, and then how to properly accumulate my reversals. Definitely watch those videos. RTK Journal is where you can find my actual trades with my averages and my wins and losses, and know when I have a trade. So like if you ever want to know what trades I'm in, it's just an easy way to just hurry up and get in it. I really hope you guys like this analysis of SPCE. This is how I just religiously do it. There is no bias to it. It's just, did it do this? Did it do that? And that's why I get into the trade, right? It's really one of the best systems because we're never chasing. As you can see, when you chase stocks and when it gets to the reversion to the mean, which is the EMA 20, this is this blue band here. If you guys can copy my settings if you want my colors, but as you can see, price reverted to the mean and it chooses to go down. As you can see right here, price reverted to the mean and it goes down. The EMA 20 is the landing page of where we can go for an uptrend or a downtrend. And a lot of the downtrend stocks I look for, and so we can get those big rises up to the EMA 20. In a lot of the cases, they will eventually do the uptrend. A lot of the more stable stocks. I did not mention we have a 5.27 on the K on the KDJ. If you guys know my KDJ, that is a very nice stochastic oscillator. The lower it is, the better. Anything under 10 is considered low. So do keep that in mind. We are expecting a short-term bounce on this due to that alone. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I like to release videos, especially on more stable stocks like Virgin Galactic. I love the volume on it, and it's been very consistent with the strategy. If you guys haven't joined the Premium Discord, I'll be there. Hope to see you guys there, and thank you so much for watching.